Yo, what's good? Here's a trade recap for freaking August 8th. So let's get into it. Alright. So first, we tapped into London high. Then we got a push out of it, so I entered. I put my stop loss above the high. And I targeted 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. And yeah, the trade's still running. I think I might just close out because I'm pretty sure it's Friday and the New York market closes like at 3, so I think I'm about just to call it good and close out of this trade. Close out of it like at 250 probably. Yeah, but we'll see what happens. Maybe we'll come back into profit so I can just close it in profit. Wait. Hold on. Come on. Come on. Alright, come on. This trade should have been like a 30-minute trade max. Like, bro. Hold on, I look he might. Oh no, it's gonna take forever. Bro. Oh, come on, come on. Alright, but, bro, this is like so annoying. This is the same thing that happened yesterday. The high, the low, we come to the high, we get like a good reaction, we just freaking do nothing the whole day and fart around in the high area. Same exact thing that happened yesterday. Good reaction, we just come up and do nothing. And then Asian session comes and manipulates it, but there's no Asian session to manipulate it. Because there's no Asian session today. It's Friday. But I bet on Sunday, Asia is going to come completely sweep this, get a reaction, and continue the weekly uptrend we've been in. So, yeah. We got like a monthly retracement here. Monthly liquidity sweep. Now we're bullish again. So, yeah. I don't know if we'll be able to come profit again, but we'll see. I'll probably try to let you guys know if I remember in the next... How do I get out of this? Why is it stuck? The next trade recap, so I'll see y'all later.